Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bag. Yes, it's that kind of the day. So guys, you know our practice here. I'm going to share everything to you from product names, product code, prices, product features, and launch dates. Just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website or with your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, and comment on this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start first with the Nano Speedy. So this one is priced at 2,200 euro from the Men's Spring Summer 2025 collection. This would be launching February 2025. Materials the Louis Vuitton LVers DAMIer in denim guys. Please take note with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap, bag tag, and bag charm, and it comes with gold hardware. Next on the collection, we have the cargo wearable wallet. Price is 1,900 euro. Material is the Louis Vuitton LVers DAMIer denim canvas with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap with gold hardware. Same launch date of February 2025. Loving this denim material. What do you think, guys? And then of course we have this very cute nano steamer. Price at 2,200 euro. I have seen this size in person and honestly the nano steamer is very cute, but guys, please take note since this is a nano size, so it is like a little bit bigger than the wallet on chain, but this one it's cute with the denim material with cowhide leather trims. Next, let us discuss guys the Lunar New Year collection. For the price, please do stand by, but we do have SKU here. First, we have the pocket organizer. So guys, the Lunar New Year collection would be available January 2025. So kindly check the website and with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. So the materials, the Camouflage Canvas with cowhide leather trims, just like with this Dopp kit. So we have SKU here. Lunar New Year collection material, Camouflage Canvas. So the cowhide leather trims is color like moss green. It would come with silver hardware, and of course it would come with detachable bag tag as we could see here. Next, we have steamer wearable wallet. So for the price, please do stand by. Once I have the price of this collection guys, I'll be posting either on our community wall or would be creating a separate vlog. So this is the interior, like hunter green or dark green interior. So this is the back side. So the strap is non-detachable, and of course it would come with silver hardware. It would also come in the Keepall size 45. Material is the Camouflage Canvas with cowhide leather trims that is in color hunter green or dark green. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap as well, and it would come with the notable bag tag that has like the year of the snake logo or insignia. Then guys, let us discuss pocket organizer. So this collection, the new Taurillon monogram collection, would be launching January 16, 2025. So the price of this pocket organizer is 685 USD. Material is Taurillon leather, and the color of this one, so it would come in two. So Misty Lake, so that is the first one, and River Stone, so this is the River Stone. Both are in the same price. Then it would come with Dopp kit. Price of the Dopp kit is 1,490 USD from the new Taurillon monogram collection. Material of course is the very beautiful and soft Taurillon leather. Color of this one is Misty Lake. Silver hardware. So guys, please take note that this collection pre-orders are now open, so please check the website and your CAs. Then we have the multiple wallet. Price of this one is 710 USD. Same material of the very soft Taurillon leather. Color is Misty Lake. It would come with, of course, this beautiful monogram detail in front and also on the back side of the wallet. And it will be launching January 16, 2025. Next, guys, new collection, we have the Trocadero wallet. This would be launching January 16th next year. We have SQ here. Material is monogram Eclipse canvas with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap. It would come with matte black hardware. So this is like a wallet on chain size, guys. So please kindly take note of that one if you're going to purchase this. Also this one, so we have Gaston wearable wallet that will be launching January 16, 2025. Price of this one is 1,760 USD. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim, so in noir, as you can see here. It would come with silver hardware as well. So wallet on chain, so very little bag. So we have Pochette Voyage supple or soft. Price is 1,210 USD. So this is from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Materials monogram canvas, as we could see here, with cowhide leather trims, and it would come with gold hardware. Launching February 6, 2025. Next on the collection, we have envelope pouch. Price is 1,480 USD. We have SKU here. So from the men's spring summer 2025 collection, material is the classic monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, gold hardware, and it would come with detachable leather strap. Launching February 6, 2025. Next we have, guys, we have Millionaire's Speedy 25 P9. Welcome back. Price of this one is OMG 800,000 euros. So that would be around 1 million USD. We have SQ here from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. This would be a made to order. Material is croc leather with cowhide leather trims. Next we have the Speedy P9 size 18. Price is 14,200. We have SQ here. So this is from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Material is ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims. Color is leaf. Gold hardware, detachable leather strap, detachable bag tag, as we could see here. Next we have Speedy P9 size 18. Price is 14,200. We have SK here from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Materials ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims. Of course, color is fire red. It would come with gold hardware, detachable leather strap, detachable bag tag as well. Next, we have pocket organizer. Price of this one is 1,220 USD from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Material is ostrich leather with cowhide leather, and then of course leather trims. Colors black carbon. So we have more of the black carbon colorway for this collection. Next, we have Brazo wallet. Price is 2,290 USD. We have SKU here from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Material is ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims. Color is black carbon. Launching February 6, 2025. So this is the back side of the wallet. As you could see, the interior is very spacious. You could put in so many cards. Then guys, let us discuss another SLG pocket organizer. Price is 1,220 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So the colorway of this one is leaf from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Materials ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims. Same launch date as the black carbon, so it would be launching February 6 next year. Then we have Brazo wallet. Price is 2,290 USD. We have SKU here from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Beautiful interior, as we can see here. So it has zippered pocket, multiple card inserts. This is the back side. So as mentioned, materials ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims, and the colorway of this one is leaf. Then we have multiple wallet. Price is 1,870 USD. SKU is provided from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Material is ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims. With colorway of this one is leaf. Launching February 6, 2025. Next, we have pocket organizer. Price of this one is 1,220 USD from the men's Spring-Summer 2025 collection. Materials ostrich leather with cowhide leather interior, as we could see here. Of course, the color is fire red. So we're noticing, so this is the one side, and of course, next on the collection, we have multiple wallet. Price is 1,870 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So it would be the same material. Ostrich leather. This is the interior. Multiple card slots. Color is fire red. And again, same launch date, February 6, 2025. Next, guys, we have the bone bag charm. Price of this one is 825 USD from the men's Spring-Summer 2025 collection. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with gold hardware. How cute is this bag charm? So this is how it looks like when worn against Keepall size 40 or 45. Loving, of course, the white colorway of the monogram canvas. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode, guys. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!